Hello everyone, this is Maggie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to move from this to this. So stay tuned. I'll just start doing the hair from the back. This is I call it just regular African braids. I say regular because it really has no defined patterns with respect to the lines. This is the typical way we braid hair in Cameroon, where I come from, and most other African countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Senegal, etc. We usually just cut circular lines. It just has to be neat lines, okay? So no straight box braiding kind of style like it's common here in the USA. We cut the lines in curves. They're neat and they clear. So we box braids is not really common in most African countries like it's here in the US. So that's why I called it regular African braids. Just clear, neat circular lines, if I can say so. Okay, so I just take the hair, I place it place my finger in between, as you can see, and I place the hair on. So you just put the hair on the head in the pattern to already divide it into three, and as you take the first move, you grab some hair with you and make sure the other fingers are pressing on the hair, the rest of the hair. It's what makes it tight at the bottom, okay? And then the rest of it just comes up nice and easy like that. Okay, we're all done. Now it's time to give the finishing for the hair. This client wants the hair all straight up, like I call it spikes. They want it all spiky. So what I do is boil some water, put it in a cup. I'm going with my empty yogurt cup here, as you can see. And then you just grab the hair and put it in, and then you take it up all the way, like halfway up. And the hot water is to make the hair stick together so that it doesn't loosen as the days go by, and it also gives that fine and nice thinning of the hair. It gives a nice finishing. So just grab a cup, put some hot water inside, and then you take portions of the hair and put. So because she wants the edges really straight, so after I do the first dip, I take more hot water and I do another dip. This dip is just to make sure, as you can see, I'm taking the cup up and down. If you don't put it straight like that, the edges might still curl up. So since she wants it straight, just push up and down, up and down, up and down. It gives you that straight, nice finishing. Then I dip my towel into some of the hot water and I damp on top to get it relaxed up there and give me a nice finishing. This way you can, it also saves you the stress of using the pair of scissors to pick up all stray hairs. So when you dampen on top, it's also a good way to have a great finish on top of it. Then I'm just gonna trim, since she wants the style spiky, as I would say again. So I'm not cutting through in a uniform length, no. So I'm cutting downwards like a V shape, because you want to have that non-uniform way finishing for the hair. So as you can see, that's it. We're all done and the hair is looking great. It's full, it's, as you can see, it's well packed for those who love their hair, I mean, full and bulky like I do. This is way to go. Okay, so nice and easy. There you go. So as you can see, It's non-uniform at the back. It gives that spiky as she wants it, and oh, beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and you can check other videos if you want to see other hair braiding styles. This is a regular African braids, a circular pattern if I can call it, or just normal African braids. Okay, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.